Can you imagine not touching your phone for an entire day? No Instagram, no messages, no scrolling through random memes. Sounds wild, right? Well, I decided to try it. For 24 hours, I completely unplugged from my phone. Why? Because I wanted to see what life felt like without constant notifications and distractions. And honestly, it was one of the most eye-opening experiences I've ever had. Let me tell you how it went, what I learned, and why you should try this too. Why I tried this challenge. When I was younger, I did a 24-hour solo on a camping trip. No friends, no gadgets, just me and nature. It was so quiet, I could hear my own thoughts. That experience stuck with me, and I've always wondered if I could get the same feeling of peace today. But let's be real. Life is different now. These days, I probably check my phone 100 times a day without even noticing. So, I wanted to test myself. Could I really go phone-free for a full 24 hours? Spoiler alert, it wasn't easy, but it was worth it. Here's what happened. Anxiety kicks in. The moment I turned on my app blocker and locked myself out of my phone, I felt a wave of anxiety. What if someone needed me? What if I missed something important? My brain was panicking, but I stayed strong, restless, and bored. I spent the afternoon wandering around the house, doing random chores, and even stepping outside just to kill time. Normally, I'd scroll my phone during those in-between moments, but without it, I was forced to just be. The hardest part is bedtime. The real challenge came at night. I'm so used to scrolling before bed that not having my phone felt weird. Instead, I just lay there, thinking about my day. And you know what? I fell asleep faster than I have in months. When I woke up, something had shifted. I felt free. Without the urge to grab my phone, I started journaling. I wrote down my goals, thought about my life, and even had some deep ideas I hadn't made time for before. By the end of the 24 hours, I actually didn't want my phone back. It felt so good to be present, and I didn't miss the noise. What I learned: your phone keeps you in a reactive state. Every ping and notification pulls your attention away from the present. Without my phone, I felt more in control of my time and my thoughts. It only takes a few hours to feel the difference. By hour 16, I felt calmer and more focused. By hour 24, I felt like my brain had been reset. The effects last longer than you think. Even after the challenge, I was more mindful about how much time I spent on my phone. I didn't want to waste hours scrolling anymore. Want to try this challenge? Here's how to make it easier. Pick the right day. Choose a time when you don't have a lot going on. For me, Saturday to Sunday worked best. Use an app blocker. Download an app that locks you out of your phone. Trust me, it'll help you stay committed. Let people know. Tell friends and family what you're doing so they don't worry. I even set up an autoresponder for text. Plan for emergencies. Give someone close to you a backup plan. For me, people could call my girlfriend if there was an emergency. Why you should try it. Going phone-free for 24 hours is like hitting a reset button on your brain. You'll feel more focused, more present, and less stressed. Plus, you'll realize just how much of your day you've been giving away to a screen. So, are you ready to take the challenge? Turn off your phone and see what happens. You might just discover a whole new side of life. If you'd like a written version of this video, a free soft copy is available for download. Just check the description below, grab your copy, and feel free to use it as you need. See you in the next video.